Put a bar of soap in your toilet tank and don't flush just yet. Today, I'm turning this simple soap into a homemade toilet freshener with a few everyday ingredients. Stay with me until the final flush to see exactly what happens. First, take 1 clean bar of scented household soap. The fragrance of the soap is important here, because this is designed primarily as a homemade freshening idea. Place a clean plate on your work surface and position a kitchen grater over it. Now carefully run the soap across the grater, turning the bar as you work. Continue until the entire bar has been reduced to fine shavings. Take your time here. The smaller shavings will combine much more easily with the remaining ingredients. Transfer all of those freshly grated soap shavings into a clean jar or mixing container. Give everything a gentle shake to level the soap at the bottom. This grated soap will be the foundation of our mixture. Measure out 2 teaspoons of ordinary dishwashing liquid. Rather than pouring it all into one area, distribute it over the grated soap. As it works into the shavings, the mixture will start becoming softer and more cohesive. Now measure 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Scatter it across the surface so it reaches different parts of the soap mixture. Baking soda is commonly used in household cleaning because of its mildly abrasive and deodorizing. Now add salt. Work it gently into the mixture instead of leaving it sitting on the surface. You should now see the ingredients beginning to form a thicker, more workable texture. Now it's time for the toothpaste. Add a modest amount of regular toothpaste to the mixture and begin incorporating it with the spoon. Its main contribution here is a fresh minty scent and a mild cleaning texture. It is not intended to replace a dedicated toilet cleaning product. Take 1 fresh lemon and use the fine side of the grater to collect the outer yellow zest. Focus only on the colorful outer layer. Add about 1 teaspoon of that fresh zest to the mixture. This gives the homemade ball an additional citrus aroma that pairs nicely with scented soap. Now use a clean spoon and mix everything thoroughly. Move around the entire container, working from the bottom upward. Make sure there are no dry pockets of baking soda or unmixed soap remaining. Once the ingredients become thick and uniform, we're ready for the final hand mixing stage. Transfer the mixture onto a clean surface. Using clean hands, gently knead and compress the mixture until it holds together. Now shape it into 1 compact round ball. Keep the surface reasonably smooth and make sure the ball is firm enough to stay together when handled. Take a piece of ordinary aluminum foil and place the finished ball in the center. Bring the foil around the ball and wrap it securely. Don't completely seal the idea off. We still need small openings for water to reach the mixture. Take a clean toothpick and carefully make several small holes through the foil. Spread the holes around different areas of the ball. The goal is to create controlled openings rather than one large opening. Now take the finished ball to the toilet. Carefully lift the toilet tank lid and set it somewhere secure. Before placing the ball inside, check the tank mechanism. Once everything is secure, carefully put the tank lid back in position. Now let's see what happens. Here's the final result. With every flush, the water passes around the small openings in the homemade soap ball, allowing the soap-based mixture and lemon zest to gradually release their fresh fragrance. The biggest benefit is the pleasant, clean scent it can leave around the toilet area after flushing. The soap and lemon combination can help make the bathroom feel fresher, while the baking soda and other ingredients contribute to the overall homemade freshening formula. It's a simple and inexpensive idea made from everyday household ingredients, and it can be a convenient way to add a fresh fragrance between regular toilet cleanings.